When to hire a paralegal for divorce? Is it a better option than a lawyer? Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today we're talking about when hiring a paralegal for divorce is the better option over hiring a lawyer. While it's true that a paralegal service is the best choice for amicable divorces, there are other situations where using a paralegal makes more sense than hiring an expensive attorney. Let's go over those now. When hiring a paralegal for divorce is the best choice. 1. When you've already started your divorce and got stuck. Many people start their divorce on their own, thinking they can handle the paperwork, only to realize that they've made mistakes or missed key forms. This often leads to months of delays and frustration. Example: a client recently came to us after trying to file their own divorce for over a year. Their court filings kept getting rejected and they didn't understand what they were doing wrong. We reviewed their paperwork, corrected the errors, and resubmitted everything. Their divorce was finalized in just weeks after being stalled for months. 2. When you need to fix a rejected divorce judgment. California courts are extremely strict about how divorce judgments must be structured. Even one small mistake in your marital settlement agreement, MSA, can lead to a court rejection, forcing you to start over. Example: a couple had an agreement in place, but kept getting their judgment rejected multiple times. They hired us to review their paperwork, and we fixed formatting issues, corrected missing legal language, and resubmitted their case. Their divorce was approved quickly without further problems. 3. When you need to modify an existing divorce agreement. Sometimes, after a divorce is finalized, one or both spouses need to modify child support, custody, or spousal support. A paralegal can prepare these legal modifications without the high cost of hiring an attorney. Example: we recently helped a client modify their spousal support agreement after they lost their job. Instead of paying thousands for an attorney, they used our paralegal service, and we drafted their modification paperwork correctly for a fraction of the cost. 4. When you need a quick divorce without delays. Even if your divorce is amicable, court paperwork errors can slow things down. Hiring a paralegal ensures that everything is completed quickly and correctly, avoiding unnecessary delays. Example: a client came to us needing a fast divorce so they could remarry as soon as the 6-month waiting period ended. We handled everything promptly, e-filed their case, and ensured all deadlines were met, so their divorce was finalized as soon as legally possible. 5. When you need help dividing retirement accounts, QDROs. If you and your spouse are splitting a 401k, pension, or other retirement accounts, you may need a qualified domestic relations order, QDRO. Many attorneys charge thousands for this service, but a paralegal can prepare and file it for much less. Example: a client was told by an attorney that handling a QDRO would cost them $3,000, $5,000. We handled it for them at a much lower flat fee, ensuring that their retirement accounts were divided properly and without penalties. Why Divorce661.com is the best option. At Divorce661.com, we specialize in flat-fee divorce services, helping clients navigate their divorce quickly, affordably, and without court appearances. We fix rejected cases and get them back on track. We process modifications, judgment filings, and QDROs for a fraction of the cost of an attorney. We eliminate the hassle of confusing court paperwork. We handle everything remotely, so you don't have to deal with court visits. If you're struggling with your divorce, don't waste time and money on unnecessary legal fees. Contact Divorce661.com today for a free consultation, and let's get your divorce finalized the right way.